Go! Watermelon. I want to see only white. Whoever does it, so it could be only white. Wait. They're having a watermelon contest. You guys are so gross. No, I still see some. I still see some. Okay.
Me, I'm right here. Me, right here. Not right here, me.
Hey, Jackie won. Jackie won. Wait, let me see it. Look, Jackie.
I won.
It's all white.
I won.
No, it's all white. See? Let me see yours. No, Jonah, you cheated. No, Jonah lost. Sorry. No.
I won.
Jackie won. She gets half of this chocolate.
Wow.
You know what? You know what? Shut up, you guys. And she gets the first piece of the beautiful cake.
Wait, give me a plate. I was like throwing.
All you did.